Atomic Habits. Learn English and transform your life. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Super English Podcast. I hope you are happy, healthy, and ready to learn something powerful today. Today, we are going to learn English through one of the most popular self-improvement books in the world, Atomic Habits. This book was written by James Clear. The book teaches us a simple but life-changing lesson. Small habits create big results. Many people believe success comes from big actions. They think they need a huge opportunity. They think they need special talent. They think they need perfect motivation. But James Clear says something different. He says that success comes from small daily improvements. If you become just 1% better every day, your life can completely change over time. Imagine a tiny airplane changing its direction by only a few degrees. At first, the difference seems very small. But after a long journey, the airplane reaches a completely different destination. Life works in the same way. Small habits may seem unimportant today, but they can create extraordinary results tomorrow. Let's learn the first lesson. Lesson 1. Focus on systems, not goals. Everyone has goals. Students want good grades. Business owners want more customers. Employees want promotions. Athletes want to win competitions. But having goals is not enough. Many people have the same goals. The difference comes from their daily systems. A system is what you do every day. For example, if your goal is to speak English fluently, your system might be practicing English for 30 minutes daily. If your goal is to become healthy, your system might be walking every morning. Goals show the direction. Systems create the results. So do not focus only on the destination. Focus on the journey. Focus on your daily habits. Lesson 2. Build a new identity. James Clear says that lasting change begins with identity. Most people say, I want to learn English. But successful learners say, I am an English learner. Most people say, I want to become healthy. Successful people say, I am a healthy person. Your actions should support your identity. Every time you read an English article, you are proving that you are an English learner. Every time you exercise, you are proving that you are a healthy person. Every action is a vote for the person you want to become. Lesson 3. Start small. Many people fail because they start too big. They decide to study English for 3 hours every day. They decide to exercise for 2 hours. They decide to read 50 pages daily. After a few days, they become tired and quit. James Clear recommends starting small. Very small. If you want to read, start with 1 page. If you want to exercise, start with 2 minutes. If you want to practice English, start with 1 conversation. Small habits are easy to maintain. Consistency is more important than intensity. Lesson 4. Make good habits obvious. The first law of behavior change is, make it obvious. If you want to read books, keep books where you can see them. If you want to learn English, keep English materials on your desk. If you want to drink more water, place a water bottle nearby. What is visible becomes easier to remember. Your environment influences your behavior. Design your environment for success. Lesson 5. Make habits attractive. The second law is, make it attractive. People repeat things they enjoy. One useful strategy is called temptation bundling. This means combining something you need to do with something you want to do. For example, listen to your favorite podcast while walking. Drink your favorite tea while studying English. This makes good habits more enjoyable. Lesson 6. Make habits easy. The third law is, make it easy. People naturally choose the easiest option. So reduce friction. Prepare your study materials before sleeping. Keep your exercise clothes ready. Organize your workspace. The easier a habit becomes, the more likely you are to do it. Remember, Success is not about making things harder. Success is about making good habits easier. Lesson 7. The 2-minute rule. One of the most famous ideas in the book is the 2-minute rule. When starting a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes. Want to read? Read 1 page. Want to run? Wear your running shoes. Want to learn English? Practice for 2 minutes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to start. Once you start, continuing becomes easier. Lesson 8. Track your progress. Successful people measure progress. You can use a notebook. You can use a calendar. You can use a mobile app. Every day you complete your habit, mark it. Seeing progress creates motivation. James Clear gives an important rule. Never miss twice. Missing 1 day is normal. Missing 2 days can become a bad habit. Always return quickly. Lesson 9. Surround yourself with the right people. Your friends influence your habits. Your family influences your habits. Your environment influences your habits. Spend time with people who have the habits you want. If you want to improve English, join English-speaking communities. If you want to start a business, learn from entrepreneurs. Success becomes easier when positive behavior is normal around you. Final message. My dear listeners, do not wait for a perfect moment. Do not wait for a new year. Do not wait for motivation. Start today. Start small. 1 page. 1 minute. 1 conversation. 1 good habit. Remember, great success is not built in a day. It is built 1 habit at a time. Tiny habits may seem small, but tiny habits create extraordinary lives. Thank you for listening to Super English Podcast. Keep learning. Keep improving. Keep speaking English. And remember, small habits today become a successful future tomorrow. See you in the next episode. Bye and take care.